Hello, Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. Uh, Welcome on my channel. Today we are going to talk about conversion of units. So whenever it is concerned with the conversion of units, the most important thing that we need to know is conversion factor. What actually the conversion factor is? Conversion factor is a relationship that we write in the form of fraction. For example, if you know a relationship like you have a simple relation of centimeter and a meter, and you know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So if I write this one in the conversion factor, I have two ways to write it. 1 meter over 100 centimeter, or I can write it as 100 centimeter over 1 meter. Both of these are called conversion factor, and logically these are equal to 1 as the numerator and denominator are the same here. How we can use this to convert into units? For example, if I have 500 centimeters here and I want to convert 500 centimeters into meters. So what I will do, I will write 500 centimeter and I will multiply this 500 centimeter to the conversion factor. So when I will multiply with this conversion factor, I need to focus one thing. There are two conversion factors I wrote here in between centimeter and meters. So I will choose and I will pick one that will cancel the old unit and give me the new unit. My old unit is centimeter and I want to cancel it to make it a meter. So what I will do, I will pick this one, the first one in which centimeter is the denominator. So I will write here, we know that 1 meter over 100 centimeter is our conversion factor. Now once I wrote it, it's very simple to see this unit centimeter is cancelled by centimeter and the final unit is meter. So that was actually my concern. So I will write it again and I will say 500 with no unit times 1 meter. So 1 meter we don't need to write, but if you want to write for one instant, we will write 1 meter whole over 100. So 500 divided by 100 will be equal to 5 and the unit only is meter. So we got that 500 centimeter is equal to 5 meter. So this is how we can easily convert any unit into any other form. For example, here I would like to see this question as it is here in question number 1. The speed is given in miles per hour and we need to convert this speed in miles per hour to the meter per second. So our concern is from miles per hour to meter per second. So before I start, I need to know the relationships. If I remember and I know about the relations, that's very good. If I don't know, so we can see these relations from the book and we can find it from the Google as well. So the relation is, first relation, I know that 1 mile is equal to 1609 meters. So 1 mile is 1609 meter. On the other hand, we need to convert hours into seconds as 1 hour is 60 minutes, each minute is 60 seconds. So 1 hour is 3600 seconds. Now we have two conversions here like miles to meter and hours to second. So what I can do, I have, for example, the given value is miles over hours. So what I will do, I will multiply this first conversion factor to convert miles into meters, and then the second conversion factor from hours to seconds. Now first thing, this first relation 1 miles are equal to 1609 meters. I need to cancel miles, so I will make a fraction like 1 mile is at the bottom and 1609 meters is in the top. So in this way, what I found, I will cancel miles with miles and my concerned unit meter is obtained. On the other hand, I need to cancel hours. So the second relation, 1 hour and are equal to 3600 second. So I will write 1 hour as a numerator. Why? Because hour will cancel by hour. So denominator will be 1 hour by 3600 second. Now hour is cancelled by hour. My concerned unit is meter at the top, second at the bottom. So this one I will get 1609 meters over 1 mile will multiply to hour over 3600 second. So this will give me the conversion of my miles per hour to meter per second. So in my opinion, this option is, I think option C 1600. Yes, it is option number C is the right choice, and we can easily find this one as our required thing. Now let us move to a little bit complicated stuff to understand what we actually need to know. For example, here we have a conversion of feet into feet squares into feet square into square meter. So this is our the second question that we need to know. So what we can do for this one when we are concerned, first of all I need to write the units or conversion factors. So starting with the first thing, the conversion factor between feet to meter. I know few relations. Let me write them up. Sorry, I didn't choose the pen. So first relationship that I know I have in my mind, there are direct relations, but I will use the relations from the book. The first relation is 1 inch is 2.54 centimeter. The other one, 100 centimeter is 1 meter, and also 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So if I want to convert feet into inches, feet into square meter, feet squares into square meter, I need to convert feet into inches, then into centimeter, and then to meter. So I will start from the given value. The given value that I have is 15.7 square feet. This is my given value. Then I will convert the feet into inches. So I need inches, so I will put inch above. So feet to inch are 1 foot is 12 inches. So 12 inches over 1 foot. Again, I need to convert inches into centimeters. So I will write 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters, and then lastly I need meters, so I will write 1 meter over 100 centimeter. Now, starting from the first step, if you look at the figure, look at the question, sorry, we have square foot here, but in the first conversion factor, we have foot. So I will square it. So this will be inches square over foot square. So foot square will cancel by the foot square. So first thing that this is a foot square, so it will be cancelled by square foot. Similarly, it is inches square, so I need another square here to convert to cancel square inch, and then square meter will be cancelled by square meter. So I put squares on every step to make them simultaneous. Now I have 15.7 as it is. This square foot is cancelled by square foot, or let us move for one more step to make it more understandable. So square foot, and here it is 12 squares, square inch over square foot, and the next one 2.54 squares centimeter square over 1 inch square, because square of the one is the same. It's 1 square meter over 100 square centimeter square. So now what I will do, I will cancel square feet by square feet, square inches by square inches, square centimeter by square centimeter. And now what I found is I have 15.7 times 12 squared times 2.54 square divided by 100 square, and the only unit left is square meter. Now we will use the calculator, and when we use the calculator, we have this one in the top, 15.7 times 12 square, that is 144, but we will keep as it is. So 15.7 times 12 squared times 2.54 squared equal to, and let us do divided by 100 square is 10,000. So our answer is 1.45. This is 1.4586, and the answer is with the unit square meter. Now we have three significant figures in the question, 15.7. So I will convert this into three significant figures. So I need to remove this 86, which is greater than 50. So I will change the previous number, which was 5, to 6, 1.46 square meter. So this is my answer choice, which is choice B. So this is how we can easily solve it. So I'm hopeful that you guys understood how to convert any unit to the any other form of units. So thank you so much. If there is any concern, you can also check or ask me the question whenever you need it.